Learn how to tie double bird-safe knots in this tutorial. First, thread the bird-safe lace, this one is poly rope, through the object you wish to hang. Pull it through until you have slightly more than enough to wrap around a finger. Wrap both pieces around your finger like so, and then pull both the long piece and the short piece through the hole. You're going to need to tighten the knot as best you can for safety reasons. You want it as close to the base of the object as you can get. It may take several tries to tighten it sufficiently, especially if the rope is slippery like poly rope. Once you're satisfied with the bottom knot, cut the excess rope from the smaller piece, so it should fit neatly into 1 or 2 beads, enough to keep it out of the way. This is to discourage any birds that like to untie knots while they're hanging on the object. Then, thread as many beads as you desire onto the rope. You're going to pull it down and tuck the loose piece into the beads. Now it is time for the top. Pinch the rope so there's slightly more rope than needed to wrap around your finger again. Take the part you pinched, that loop, as you can see, and wrap it around your finger before pushing the loop through the hole, like so, and then tighten the knot. Sometimes I have to redo this knot several times to get it tight enough. Like before, make sure to tighten as best you can before cutting the excess rope, so again the length is only 1 to 2 beads long. You're going to tuck the loose end into the beads before tightening both knots towards the beads so there's minimal movement between beads. That will keep the loose ends tucked safely inside the beads. And that is a double bird-safe knot. Thank you for watching, and as always, please join me at thehappyparrot.com for additional videos and other parrot-related information.